My name is Allyson Cofran, and I'm an attorney with Stark & Stark. I've been a member of Stark & Stark for 6 years, been practicing law for 10 years, and I am a member of the Bankruptcy and Creditors' Rights Department. The collection team has over 65 years of combined experience between the paralegals, secretaries, and attorneys. We at Stark & Stark can tailor our collection approach to your image or direction. We can be as aggressive as permitted by law and as aggressive as your institution wishes to be. Stark & Stark is a full-service law firm with over 100 attorneys who practice in many different fields. So if other issues arise during the collection litigation matter, Stark & Stark is prepared to handle them. We are centrally located in the state of New Jersey, which will reduce fees and court costs and appearances, as we can easily cover matters throughout the entire state of New Jersey. Our collection team is well versed in the latest technology, which makes collections of accounts expeditious and cost-effective. Stark & Stark always proceeds in a professional manner so as to not alienate potential debtors. We can check with you at each stage of the litigation to discuss your strategies and/or get your input as to general direction, depending upon your individual needs or preferences. When initiating a collection action, it is important to keep accurate accountings and have a very good accounting and bookkeeping system. It's also vital to review the contract or registration forms for collection provisions, such as the availability of liens, collection fees, attorney's fees, or late charges. In addition, the registration form has vital information such as bank accounts, social security numbers, addresses, employment information, which is all important for when judgment is obtained and collection efforts begin. A collection case will vary from case to case, but generally the flow is to initially send out a Fair Debt Collection Practices Act letter, which I will explain what that act is later. And then once that expires upon 30 days, you will file an action in either law division or special civil part. The law division action is for $15,000 and over, and the special civil part is for under $15,000. At the end of the case, the result is to obtain a money judgment. And with a money judgment, you can execute on bank accounts, wage executions, goods and chattels, such as vehicles or any personal property. Once the judgment is obtained, a writ would be issued from the clerk, and then it would be sent to the sheriff's office to then levy on the wages, bank accounts, or other goods and chattels. One good method is to levy on the vehicle owned by the defendant, and Stark & Stark is well versed in the process for creating a stop lien, which results in the defendant not being able to transfer title to their vehicle without addressing the lien. The FDCPA, or Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, is an act that was initiated to protect consumers, with possible sanctions imposed for collectors if it is not followed. For more information on the FDCPA, you can go to ftc.gov. At Stark & Stark, we are vigilant in following the recent case law on the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, and I have led a continuing legal education seminar on this topic. Thank you for listening, and my contact information is up on the screen should you have any additional questions or would like to schedule a free consultation.